Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today let's make another spooky spiral. It's not really too spooky, but the colors kind of are. The shirt was prepped like normal, and I've got it turned inside out. This time I'm going to start the spiral up in the top portion of the shirt. I have the shirt turned over where the back side is facing up, but on the front of the shirt it'll be up in the shoulder portion. After I have the shirt spiraled, I'm going to hold the folds in place with some rubber bands. For this shirt, I'm going to use Raven Black from Dharma Trading Company, Charcoal Gray from Dharma, and Royal Purple from Grateful Dyes. I'm going to turn the shirt over to what is actually the front of the shirt, and using a washable marker, I'm going to divide the shirt into 4 sections. Each one of the lines that I draw, I'm going to take it through the center of the spiral. That way all my colors are going to originate from the center spiral area. To begin, I'm going to apply Raven Black on the lines that I drew to divide the shirt. In 2 of the sections, I'm going to add Charcoal Gray, and I'm going to add the charcoal to 2 sections that are across from each other. In the other 2 sections, I'm going to add the Royal Purple from Grateful Dyes. I'm turning the shirt over to check the saturation to see whether or not the colors are starting to show through to the back side of the shirt. If they're starting to show through to the back side, that's a pretty good indication that the center of the shirt is getting well saturated. You can see a little bit coming through in the center part, but not in the outer region. So I turned the shirt over and I checked some of my folds and added a little bit more dye. Now I'm going to turn the shirt over and I'm going to apply black all over the back side of the shirt. I don't want to add too much black because I don't want it to go all the way through to the front side of the shirt and overwhelm the colors that I added to the front. But I do want to cover up all of the white areas with black. Then to process the shirt, I want to turn it back over where the colored side is up and the black side is down. I'm going to let gravity work with me and pull the colors down through the shirt instead of pulling the black down through the shirt. Black can really be an overwhelming color, so I don't want it to just overtake the gray and the purple on the front. I allow the shirt to process for about 24 to 48 hours. So here's what the shirt looks like, and I'll be honest, it looks pretty dark. So let's see how it turns out after it's washed. To rinse the shirt, I started rinsing it in cold water to rinse out the soda ash. Then I untied the shirt and gradually warmed the water up and continued rinsing it in hot water to rinse out any of the excess dye. Because the color was still so dark after rinsing for a while, there was still quite a bit of dye coming out, and so I allowed the shirt to soak in some hot water with a little bit of Blue Dawn dish detergent. When the water cooled off, I changed it out and I continued that soaking process until the water was almost clear. Then I put the shirt into my washing machine along with a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent, and I washed it using a hot water cycle. So after the shirt was washed and dried, this is what it looks like. Okay, so what do you guys think? So overall, I really like this shirt. I like the color combination of the black and the gray and the purple. My only irritation is that I didn't get great color saturation. I really should have mixed up a little bit more dye than I did. I only mixed about a half a cup of the purple and of the charcoal gray. And I think if I would have mixed up probably another quarter cup of the purple, I would have had great color saturation. So I'm a little bit disappointed that I didn't go ahead and add just a little bit more color, but otherwise I think the shirt looks great. But what do you guys think? Drop me a comment down below and let me know. And I sure would appreciate it if you'd like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.